Hi guys, Russell the Muscle here. Welcome to my vlog. So today is Saturday. Dito na naman kami sa aming trabaho. So today is overtime. So maybe we just work about 6 hours until 1 o'clock or 1:30. So it depends how it goes. So yeah, we're just continuing our shutter in here in the office area. So we're just continuing putting some shutter, setting up the shutter. Yeah. So we don't know yet if we can do hips right now, but as the moment we already prepare all the stuff that we needed. So I'm gonna show you guys uh, the things that we have done yesterday. So pretty much sure you saw my video yesterday that we done pretty much heaps of works. So I'm gonna show you guys what we did yesterday. So that's the one we did yesterday. So it's quite a big accomplishment. So it's really pretty hard, but if you know the system, if you know the procedure, and it's all good. Yeah, the problem is, the height of the metals is quite high, so you need to dig a little bit to set up the accurate height of the shutter. So as you can see here in the string line, it's pretty good. You can see the string line, it's pretty good. And here, yeah, so that's the thing that we did yesterday, as you can see in my video. So it's quite windy and cold still in spring here, still in a spring season. So it's quite cold because the the snow in South Island, it's getting melting. So that's why the wind is so cold. Apologize to my English accent, guys, because I'm not really good in English, but uh, I'm doing my best to say it in English. Yeah, this is my job yesterday. So there's an offset here, 300 by 300. When it comes here, it's 400 by 800. Then there's a little bit shutter here. That's when the concrete blocks sitting up, and this one is the panel. I'll show you guys in the future how we gonna set the panel and the concrete blocks here. So step by step procedure. So this is what I've done. So it's very tricky because I need to dig out the metals so I can set up the height of the shutter, because our shutter is about 410 and the ground is about 400, 390. So I need to dig out. So maybe today I gonna continuing this existing one here. It's 400 by 800 too, and after this I will jump up to the other side. So hopefully we can reach this one by Friday, because Friday is the schedule for the pouring. So the Staley will come, I don't know when they come. So this one is 300 by 300 up here, and there's a step somewhere here that goes up 400 by 800 again. So as you can see, that one is 300 by 300, and there's a step here. That's the level of the concrete. That's 400, and that's the level of the 300. So we'll just look at the plan after this. We're gonna look after the plan. So this one is our next job, so hopefully we can get through about this. So that's all, guys. I'm gonna show you later. I'm gonna show you later how we gonna build the shutter, how we gonna set up this shutter. So at the moment we're just doing, you know, roughing works, but sometimes after this, if we build all the panels and we finish the concreting like this, maybe we start doing the finishing work. And I'm gonna show you also, guys, how we gonna do the finishing works, what materials, what we need, what fixings that we need, because here in New Zealand we need to follow the standard, you know. We need to follow the standard, the New Zealand standard, the 3604. So I'm studying my, you know, my apprenticeship and learning the standard, New Zealand standard 3604. So if you notice in my vlog, I'm doing mostly in carpentry. Yeah, I'm gaining a lot of experience in carpentry, but New Zealand is a different when it comes to standard. So you need to follow the standard, and that's all. Okay, so you need to follow the standard. You need to study the how the building established, how the building set up, what materials needed. So yun lang, guys. So pakita ko sa inyo yung next vlog ko. Okay,
a few moments later. 1 hour later.